आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
But you lose the charm when you age. Poets have always drawn a parallel between beauty and youthful eyes. The upper one third of the face, which also comprises of your eyes, also includes forehead, eyebrows. तो जैसे aging होता है तो deep furrows यानी कि deep wrinkles आ जाते हैं forehead पर. There is drooping of the eyelids which give you a tired look. And there is sometimes hollowness around the eyes, that is you lose the fat around the eyes जिससे कि इंसान थका हुआ लगता है. So in order to fight these or correct these changes of aging, what can be done? To begin with the wrinkles over the forehead, झुर्रियाँ पड़ने से पहले ही उनको prevent करना जरूरी है. There is no point in starting Botox once the wrinkles have already appeared. So starting Botox at a correct age wherein the muscles are relaxed, which prevents the wrinkles to appear in the first place. So that is how we can address the deep furrows of the forehead. अब बात करते हैं drooping eyelids की. There is a procedure which is known as a bropexy. Bropexy यानी simple भाषा में eyebrows को फिर से higher position पे suspend करना है, which gives a youthful appearance again. How can we achieve that? Now, there is a minimal invasive procedure which is known as an endoscopic brow lift, wherein the incisions are kept in the hairline and वो later in the life appreciate भी नहीं होता है and you get good results. Sometimes when there is hollowing of the eyes, we need to rejuvenate with the help of fat grafting. Fat, not just lower eyelid but upper eyelid जो deep hollowing हो जाता है उसमें भी correction के लिए use किया जा सकता है, gives good results. Now let's talk about eyelids. In the upper eyelid, as we age, there is hooding of the eyelids and there is heaviness of the eyelids which is present because of the excessive skin. Why the excessive skin? Because there is loss of collagen. So there is loss of elasticity which leads to a heaviness of the upper eyelids. As I spoke about it in the previous videos, upper blepharoplasty is a good solution for the same. Coming to the lower eyelid, with the hollowness, eyes can look tired. So fat grafting is a good solution to cover the hollowness around the eyes, and the excess skin in the lower eyelid can be addressed by lower lid blepharoplasty. The incision is right below the lower eyelid and which fades with time, so वो later in life hardly visible रहता है. So upper one third of the face as a subunit can be addressed by these methods to fight, prevent or reverse aging.